Hey guys, welcome back to Hobby Happy. Today we are going to be making garden gnomes. This is what the pattern looks like. He's got little overalls and everything. I make all my patterns. I've made this pattern and all the other ones I've shared with you. This is a size 6 yarn, and this is my original pattern that I first made. This is a size 5 yarn. I adjusted the pattern to be as close as possible. I hope this tutorial works well for you. Let me know in the comments how it is, and let's get to the video. To start the body off, you're going to do 8 single crochet in a magic ring. Then do 8 increase to make that 16. Do single crochet increase to make it 24. Then do 2 single crochet increase to make it 32. And then you're going to be doing 3 single crochet increase to make it 40. And you're basically just adding 8 rounds each row. And then you're going to do 19 single crochet and increase that to make it 42 to just add 2 more. Then do 5 rounds of single crochet to make it still 42. And then when you do your color changes, you're going to do 3 rows the same way. It's 10 single crochet, color change it, 11 single crochet, color change, 10 single crochet, color change, 11 single crochet, color change that. The decreases will be for 2 rounds. You're going to single crochet in the beginning of the white and then decrease, and then single crochet in the last white to make it 30, and then the other one will be 24. If it makes more sense for me to put it this way, do a decrease, then single crochet, decrease, single crochet. There will be no decreases in any of the straps. After the decreases, you will start on the head. It'll be single crochet increase to make it go up to 36, and make sure this is your skin color by this point. Don't forget your stuffing, and then move on to the next rounds, which is just 5 rounds of single crochet. Now it's time for your decreases, which you're just going to completely decrease all of them because you won't be able to see the top of the head anyway. So just go do 18 decrease, the next round 12 decrease, and then the last round 6 decrease. So just keep decreasing in every single stitch. The nose is 8 single crochet in a magic ring. Then do 8 increase to make that 16. Finally do 2 rounds of 16 single crochet. sew that in on the front, right in between the overall straps. Now it's time for the hat. You start with 4 single crochet in a magic ring, and there will be a pattern to this that I'll show you. You're going to do 4 single crochet next. Next do 4 single crochet, and then for the next round you do 4 increase to make that 8, and this is where the pattern keeps going on to 8 single crochet, and then you go to single crochet increase to make that 12, and you do that all the way down until you reach 9 single crochet increase to make it 44. Sew it on so then it goes right around the nose, and so then the hat also touches the back of the overalls. For the final touch, you're going to be doing the beard strands. What I first did was I lined the whole outside noticeable edge with the yarn, which I just tied a knot for each one of them, and then I went to the middle of what I didn't get, and I just filled that in too. Like, the middle isn't as important because you won't be able to see it as much. Just make sure there's not too much so then it's bulking out, and not too little that you can see through it. And after that, it's time for the reveal. Here are the results, how it turned out, what I like. I like it, you know, it's a good size, and I used up just the rest of my yarn for this, since I'm doing my yarn purge. I really like how it turned out. I don't think I would do anything different, because I did adjust the pattern to make it a little smaller, and it turned out perfect. I like them both. This one is going to be sold. I have about 5 other ones I'm selling, just like this, that are different colors, so look out for that. And I hope you guys love this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Bean. Bean, please. Please.